Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into the incredible world of dinosaurs, those magnificent creatures that roamed the Earth during the Mesozoic Era. Let's unlock some secrets about their evolution, diversity, and why they still matter today. Dinosaurs first appeared around 230 million years ago in the late Triassic period. Initially, they were small bipedal carnivores, but oh, how they evolved. Soon, they diversified and conquered various ecosystems across the globe. Let's talk classification. On one side, we have the Saurischia, which includes the fierce theropods like the T-Rex and the towering sauropodomorphs, known for their massive sizes and long necks. Then, there's the Ornithischia, featuring a myriad of herbivores such as the armored Ankylosaurus and the iconic Triceratops with their distinctive horned faces. The adaptations of dinosaurs were just mind-blowing. Theropods developed sharp teeth and claws, and some even sported feathers, leading to the birds we see today. Sauropods, with their skyscraper-like necks, munched on high vegetation, while ceratopsians boasted impressive frills and horns, likely used for defense and social interactions. Now imagine the paleoecology. These giants lived from lush forests to arid deserts, sharing the planet with flying reptiles and early mammals. Their ability to adapt was truly extraordinary. But all good things come to an end, right? About 66 million years ago, dinosaurs faced their ultimate challenge. The theories? A massive asteroid impact known as the Chicxulub impactor, volcanic eruptions from the Deccan Traps, and severe climate changes. These catastrophic events likely led to their mass extinction. Yet, the legacy of dinosaurs is far from extinct. Their fossils are like time capsules, giving scientists incredible insights into our planet's history. And let's not forget, birds, our feathered friends, are direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs. In culture, dinosaurs continue to spark our imagination, gracing the silver screen and inspiring generations in science and natural history. So, the next time you see a bird, think of it as a little dinosaur, fluttering around with centuries of history in its wings. Dinosaurs may be gone, but they are definitely not forgotten. Thanks for joining me on this prehistoric adventure. Stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries of our fascinating world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more exciting explorations into the past. See you next time.